we do for you today, Daryl? Is there a reason?
I just wanted to say, over at Ray Chevrolet, I stopped over there to get my mom's get her oil change and stuff, and they get you right in and out.
Yeah.
And Rupe, he's the best salesman over there. You see him right inside the front door.
He's actually won awards. He's won awards. Yeah.
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 And I was yakking with him while I'm waiting in a short time, and he was saying that they are the only dealership around the area that sells their cars at sticker price or below. Everybody else is above sticker price these days.
I don't know this.
The shortest stars.
I know they gave you a good deal. So,
and this isn't just
it's
for
better than a good deal,
right? We were literally just talking about this off the air because my son keeps
Leah's
having
gotta
issues
get a
with his car.
car.
We
Yeah.
have to look into getting him a new car. I was like, I'm going to be going to Raymond Chevrolet.
Ray or
Obvious.
Raymond,
Yeah.
they got it for you. Yeah.
It's the only thing that makes sense.
Go to Ray over there and see Lupe.
All right. Did he pay you to see this, or that's my bell?
No, not at all. No, he's just a nice gentleman and gets you in and out.
I was there yesterday.
He knows his job. He's been there for a long time.
I got a new truck yesterday there, so it is a beautiful.
Speaking of trucks, they had 4,000 white trucks in Fox Lake at one time.
They do the fleet deal. That's how good the deal is. Yeah. All right. Thanks for calling, Dale. Daryl, what is your name? Thanks. See you, Bobby.
Your other brother, Daryl.
Yeah, what did you call him last night?
I called him Doug.
Leah called you Doug last night, and who else? You called somebody else?
I called Leslie Lisa.
I told Leah that she's off to a good start. She needs to call everybody by the wrong name on the trip.
But these are people I actually...
called Leah's husband skateboard.
Yeah, that's fine. He'll answer to it.
Yeah.
These are people I know when I'm calling them the wrong name. I'm never going to remember 250 people's names. It's just not going to happen.
I'm never going to remember the people.
Yeah,
so that's just the way the trip is. All right, Daryl, thanks, man.
Well, just remember Rupe when you go in there.
All right. What is
Deal
with you? Okay.
Rupe.
I feel I've been replaced as the pitch man for Ray and Raymond by Daryl. BMLD, I'm wearing my Daryl shirt
Be more
tonight.
like Daryl.